struggling. It's a Western Express truck. I don't even think they're supposed to be in there. Apparently this Walmart has all these clearance things. Yeah, he's like getting stuck in there, about to take out all the damn cars. I don't even know how he got in there, because yeah, that one got taken out down there. Maybe that was him. I never seen these things at Walmart, but I guess since they got so many trucking companies over here, they trying to keep people from sleeping overnight on their parking lot. They got somebody guiding them back there. Huh? Huh? No. Oh, yeah. I remember now. Yeah. Oh, y'all gonna find that now that I'm over here? Oh. Oh, they're hollering. Oh, there's people screaming over there. They might be taking out somebody's car soon. I don't know. Oh, this is gonna take forever. I don't know that I got enough video to record all this. Using the GoPro right now while I'm on the phone with you. You just happen to see this. Yeah. Sure hate to be in that position right now. That would suck. Hopefully they'll guide her right. I think it's a woman. Yeah. She got somebody helping her out, but I mean, I'm not sure what their plan is. It's gonna end up being the bonus footage or something, I don't know. Oh, you want to see too? I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn what not to do or how to get out of a jam. I'm backing it up. See, I figured this whole time they were trying to go back straight up, but I'm not sure how she came in or how she's going out. If they got all these bars over here. Actually, I think that might have been the truck I seen sitting in there when I wanted to go eat earlier. And that's probably how they got in there, but I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna cut it off for right now. See what happens. Yeah, that's serious over here about it. She's gotten going again. still had no clue what they were planning on doing, because she had to get in through one of these low clearance holes or whatever you call them. I don't know. I've never seen these before at Walmart. But if that's the case, I don't even know what to think. She could go back out the same way she came in. Now we're going forward again. Put you in my pocket and grab me a cigarette.
What up, YouTube?
What's going on, buddy? He's like, what up, YouTube? I already got a fan. Look at that. Look at that. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I wish I could help her out, but yeah, I'm a newbie myself. Oh, she's making the turn. I'm guessing she's gonna go up under these. Whew. Tell you, that's one way to learn. Because it's kind of hard and awkward to hold the GoPro and the phone at the same time. I'm trying. I can't do both. I guess I have to smoke a cigarette later. Looks like she's getting out. Why you so nosy anyways? So why you so nosy anyways? I just want to see them get out. I guess they haven't removed any of those barriers yet. We finally made that corner though. I would have thought they would have removed one of those things, let her go straight back out. No, did you see the? No, it's a Western Express. It's not a prime truck coming into the hotel. Oh damn, you got somebody taking her tag and everything from Walmart for, I guess, damages or anything, I don't know. Oh, and nobody gonna take, well, there's that one barrier that's down, so. Oh yeah, that's right, she might have been the one that knocked it down to begin with coming in. So she's gonna have to go through there. It's gonna suck. Hope she don't gotta take a left turn, because she gonna eat it. Hard to watch. Oh, sorry. Here you go. You can see. Can you see? He's going, pushing the bar. Hope it don't mess up the trailer. Oh, she don't gotta back up, does she? Ah, stuck between a rock and a hard place now. I don't know if she should have just turned right into the hotel's parking lot and try to turn around there. There's nothing I could really do. Can't climb up there. Maybe, I think one of the prime drivers may come help her out. Or maybe not. Maybe he's just walking by. I wonder those barriers, I hope they're made out of plastic. Maybe it won't be that bad. Looks like she got it. She got it. Up on the curb, she did it. Good job. Oh, I know she's gonna go find somewhere to park and take a damn break. She's been at it for a minute. Alright guys, that's just how the cookie crumbles. Pay attention.